ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ekene m unu. Asị m ka onye shi na zere. Ụmụnne, we have to look into this matter that's flying out weeks ago. But I titled this The Power of Men and the Power of Social Media. When you have a money, look for a contact. When you don't have a money, look for a man. It helps a lot. You saw what is flying out many ways concerning Untouchable Comedy versus Enugu State government. During these sagas that flying out social media many weeks ago, some bloggers are making a lot of conspiracy about Presidio versus Untouchable. So Untouchable was crying out on social media and lamenting bitterly that Enugu State government is about to demolish only investment they have on the southeast. But let us bring this matter around the table. Enugu State government say that he doesn't know what is going on in his state. Ignorance is not an excuse. Ikpe mara onye eziokwu aka azụ dị n'yanụ. Do you believe him as a sitting governor in the state? Demolition of their houses, people's properties, people's livelihood, people's belonging is going on in his state. He said that he doesn't know or he doesn't aware. Who gave the instruction? Who signed the document to the Commissioner of Works? This is the question we have to ask ourselves. That is where the power of men involved. Untouchable crying out bitterly in his Facebook page that the world should come to its head. It is only Untouchable that built the house in Centenary, Enugu. The answer is no. Where was those peoples? You see here the power of men involved. Do you know how much they are selling the plot of land in Centenary, Enugu? Let us presume that that place was marked out for another things, and subsequently they built a habitat, they built many houses there. The question I have to ask Enugu State government, who sold this land to Untouchable? Or did this land not have the land ownership signed through the government? When they are demolished Igbo properties in Lagos, our people are saying, Akuruno. As ndị Igbo, ha wenatasi ihe ha niile. Na ndị Igbo, anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo, have come to invest on our land. Yet, our government are frustrating us to demolish, to make us to be a hopeless in our own land. Nwanne nshek gị onye bụ ife. Gwa m ebumnobi gị maka ya bụ okwu a. Maka anyị nwa bụ ndị mmadụ, anyị na-ajụwu ajụwu tupu anyị erie. Ọ gwụsịa ka ọha n'onu. Cheta na abụ m onye nke gị bụ Maazị Yusuf. If this was the first time you have crossed my post, I say welcome, follow me, like my page. Don't hesitate to join me on my YouTube page and subscribe. Remember that the best is not yet to come. Day one.